So let's talk about low bidders. The open bid process, the grand theater of economics where the lowest bidder is crowned king. It's a spectacle wrapped in irony, a comedy of budgetary proportions. Picture this, a stage where companies fiercely compete, not by outshining each other in quality or innovation, but by seeing who can scrape the bottom of the financial barrel without falling through. The process begins with optimism, as customers envision a world where cost savings and quality coexist like best friends in a utopian playground. "We'll get the best deal," they exclaim, eyes sparkling with the dream of cutting costs without cutting corners. But oh, the plot twist that awaits. Enter the low bidders, those daring acrobats of cost cutting, juggling resources and stretching dollars until they scream. They're the magicians who can make half the budget look like the whole thing. Masters of the good enough philosophy. Why use gold when glitter will do, they ask, as they replace premium materials with something that just came about, kind of does the job. And then the curtain rises on the aftermath. Projects completed with the finesse of a toddler's first scribble. Customers find themselves in the world where "you get what you pay for" isn't just a saying, but a living prophecy. Walls lean with the casualness of a daydreamer. Paint peels like it's a race to the floor. And the plumbing? Well, let's just say it offers a surprise water feature in unexpected places. The air soon fills with a symphony of grievances, a collective outcry of disillusionment. "How did we end up here?" they lament, their voices steeped in a mix of astonishment and regret, as though some cosmic force has tricked them. The complaints begin, a chorus of disillusionment. "How could this happen?" they wail, as if the mysteries of the universe have conspired against them. It's like watching someone buy a ticket for a comedy show and then being surprised that they're at a Shakespearean tragedy instead. The irony is almost too delicious, a buffet of budgetary blunders. In the end, the open bid process stands as a testament to humanity's eternal struggle between wanting champagne on a beer budget. It's the cycle of hope, despair, and face-palming that repeats itself with the regularity of a sitcom laugh track. And through it all, the low bidders wait in the wings, ready for the next round of financial limbo, where everybody wonders just how low they can go.